The physical check. Look for any cosmetic damages to the tripod. The functionality check. Check that the spreaders are functional. Press down firmly on the tripod to ensure the locks are sturdy. Return the spreaders to their original position. Extend all the legs and lock them in place. Apply pressure to the tripod to ensure the legs lock in place. Check that the tripod head bubble lock loosens and tightens. Make sure that the tripod arm turns and locks. Test the fluidity and resistance of the pan and tilt handles. Make sure all the accessories for the camera are included in the kit. That includes the camera with its lens and base plate attached, the SD card and SD card holder, 2 batteries, an XLR cable, a shotgun microphone and windsock, a battery charger, a kettle plug, a DC adapter, the lapel microphone. Make sure to check for any cosmetic damages. Assembly. Attach the battery in the slot at the back of the camera. Tilt the viewfinder up to find the slot for the SD card. Insert the SD card. Take off the lens cap and attach the sun hood to the lens. Attach the XLR cable to the audio in slot on the side of the camera. Attach the shotgun microphone to the top of the camera. Attaching the camera to the tripod. Make sure there is nothing obstructing the base plate. Slide the camera onto the tripod from behind. Lock the base plate. Turn on the camera. Press the menu button on top of the camera to access the camera's settings. To navigate any menu, use the small round button next to the Start/Stop button. Test ISO by using the gain switch at the bottom left side of the camera. Test the aperture using the large dial at the bottom left side of the camera. To test the shutter speed, first press the dial select button. After that, use the wheel on the back of the camera to set your desired shutter speed. Test the ND filter using the dial on the front of the camera. To test your microphone, first switch the channel 1 select button to input 1. switch the Channel 2 select button to Input 2. If the microphone requires phantom power, switch the relevant Input button to On. Lastly, check that the levels diagram on the bottom left of the screen spike when sound is being recorded. Use the Start/Stop button to start the recording. To play back your recording, press the Mode button at the bottom right side of the camera. How to change a lens. Make sure to ask for a lens adapter if your kit does not include one. Check that all lenses are included in your kit. Make sure each lens has a lens cap on the front and back of the lens. Before starting a lens change, ask a friend to assist you. Press the Release button while twisting the lens to detach it. Ask your friend to cover the open sensor of the camera. Attach the lens adapter to the camera by aligning the red dot of the adapter with the red dot on the camera. Attach the lens to the adapter by aligning the red dots on both accessories. Remove the lens cap and attach the sun hood. When passing any lens to another crew member, make sure to verbally indicate your actions to them. Disassembling the tripod. Loosen the tripod arm. Retract the tripod legs. Use the clip to lock the legs of the tripod. Place the tripod back in the bag.